In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can bind your email address with your Alipay account. Step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure on link on 1688 Taba on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to link your email address to your Alipay account. Whatever type of email address you are using, you can do this. All you have to do is to follow the step I'm taking in this video. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your Alipay. So I'm going to access my Alipay right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on Me at the bottom right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on Setting at the top right here. This setting icon, click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Account and Security. And at this point here, click on here. So enter your email address. Next thing you want to do is to click on Get Verification Code. Then go to your email account. Then here we have it. So here's the verification code. Then you have to go back to your Alipay. The code is 196481. 196481. Enter your payment password. Done. So you can see email added successful in Alipay. Next thing you want to do is to click on OK. So by doing this, you can either send money to your Alipay account with your email address or with your Alipay account number. This is the purpose of adding your email address to your Alipay account profile without any stress. So anybody that wants to send you money, you can either send your email address to the person to send you money into the Alipay account, or you send them your account number. So either of the two, you are doing the same thing. And this email also can be used to make payment on any Alipay platform or websites or whatever you want to make a payment using your Alipay account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on the subscribe button right now. And don't forget to, and lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.